Ever wondered why your fragrances don't last in summers? Guys, could be possible that you didn't make a right choice when wearing a summer fragrance. Hi guys, this is Gaurav from Splash Fragrance India, wherein we talk about exotic fragrances review, we do unboxing and so many other things related to fragrances. And today we have got you covered with top 5 summer fragrances which you can rock and roll in 2021. Right after this introductory video. So guys, without wasting much time, let's talk about these 5 fragrances, not in any order. The first one will be Guerlain Habit Rouge. Second one will be Bulgari Acqua Amara. It's a classic miniature fragrance. Thirdly, we'll talk about Acqua di Gio Profondo by Giorgio Armani. It's a new launch. Next, we have Yves Saint Laurent White EDP. Last but not the least, we'll talk about Terre d'Hermes or Intense Vetiver. And guys, to make this video more exotic and crisp, we have got a partner who will rate these fragrances out of 10. So the first one which we are going to talk about is Habit Rouge by Guerlain. Guerlain is a very renowned brand which is known for their fragrances, and it is more than 60 years old brand. I'm talking about this fragrance because this is a citrus based fragrance and one of its kind, because it has a blend of citrus as well as rose, which makes it an aromatic woody fragrance which you can easily rock in summers. And also it's a classic suit and tie sort of fragrance. You can easily also rock and roll for the official meetings as well. Next, this is a beautiful fragrance by the house of Bulgari. It's called as Acqua Amara. Sadly, it was discontinued 6 years back, but we have got you covered. We have got official miniatures as well as 50 ml bottles which we have in stock, which you can definitely buy, and the buy will be worth it because this fragrance gives an oceanic vibe with a blast of citrus. You can easily wear this fragrance all year round because the citrus note in this one is very juicy and it's very sharp. You won't feel that it's another generic aqua or blue fragrance. A good fragrance you can definitely rock and roll. Third one is Acqua di Gio Profondo by Giorgio Armani. I have already talked about this fragrance in my last video. This is a gorgeous blue fragrance which was launched in 2020. It's a new flanker to the regular line of Acqua di Gio, the fragrance which has been cult classic and has got enormous love and response all across the fragrance community. It has that deep sea sort of vibe. This is something what I can say summer in the bottle. It is crisp, it is fresh, and it is unique in its very way. Fourth, this one is close to my heart, guys. This is Yves Saint Laurent Y EDP, or we can say it YSL Y EDP as it is known. This fragrance also comes under the blue category, and what I get is this is a blend of Bleu de Chanel, Dior Sauvage, Versace Dylan Blue, all blended in one bottle. It is, I won't say that it is generic, but yes, it has the DNA of a regular blue sort of fragrances. But guys, you just have to wait for half an hour to get the real magic out of this bottle. It has a very beautiful note of green apple, which makes it very unique, as well as what I feel that this fragrance can easily be worn all year round. If I have to give it a rating, I would say this is a fragrance for a lifetime. If you don't want to spend much on the designer fragrances or niche fragrances, you can definitely take this one, and it can be an easy signature scent for you. Great fragrance. Last but not the least, we have a special mention on Terre d'Hermes or Intense Vetiver. It's again a flanker to the regular Terre d'Hermes line. Earlier they used to come in EDT and EDP parfum, but now they have launched the Eau Intense Vetiver, which is not much orange dominated as their counterparts. It has a more often vetiver note, and this does not feel like you can only wear it in daytime or in scorching heat. You can also wear it all year round, and it gives a very cozy feeling. And in terms of vetiver, generally many vetiver fragrances tend to become very pale and they don't feel bright, but this fragrance blended with citrus, bohemian lime, bergamot makes it a very crisp and all year round fragrance. definitely a good fragrance. Now I'll call upon my partner Nidhi to give rating on all these top 5 fragrances. Nidhi, please. So this is a fragrance. I'll ask her how much do you rate.
This is more of an, what sort of fragrance?
It's more of an aromatic fragrance.
I would rate 8 out of 10.
Okay, so she gives it 8 out of 10 rating, which is not bad. Many girls love the regular Acqua di Gio line. Let's take a call on this one. This is by the house of Giorgio Armani. And how much do you rate it out of 10?
9.
9. Wow. So guys, I think so this one is getting much better rating than this one. Third one, you can try this fragrance by the house of Hermes. It's called as Eau Intense Vetiver. Men's usually love this fragrance. What are your views on it?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, no.
Guys, this is a big thumbs down for all those guys who want to rock this one. How much would you rate it? 7 out of 10 is still decent. Okay. Coming next, we have YSL YEDP. YSL is also known worldwide for their fragrance by the house of La Nuit Delhomme, which has been a cult classic, and girls used to love it and guys used to wear it on their dates. And let's see what's a call on this one.
A 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Guys, see, I told you this is a fragrance for a lifetime. If a girl loves a fragrance, guys, you have got it covered. You need not look anywhere further. Last but not the least, let's take a call on Bulgari Acqua Amara. This is also one of my personal favorites.
And this is my favorite too.
Wow.
I love this.
So how much would you rate it?
10.
So guys, out of these 5, this is an unbiased viewer's choice. Bulgari Acqua Amara and YSL YEDP gets 10 out of 10. So guys, you know what you have to try to get your lady getting you complimented. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you. Bye-bye. And there are many more exotic videos coming soon. Stay tuned. Bye.